use a lot of references from the internet. So maybe I should just look at reference instead of guessing. Stop guessing. You don't want your teeth to be too close to your gums. You want to give some space between your teeth and your gums. Oh, here's some good news. I've recently, as of the 13th, celebrated my 1-year anniversary at work. So you see, I can keep a job. I can keep a job for more than 3 months. Before. writing last night. We're writing from chapter 2 of the Joseph story. So previously, when I wrote the first chapter, I was afraid of making too much, doing too much embellishment onto the Bible, the Holy Scriptures, right? But since seeing The Chosen, since seeing the kind of work that they've done there, and being inspired by that kind of writing, I'm able, not to say that they've taken liberties, I mean, they have added a love story, they have added the Thomas and I can't forget the woman's name, can't remember her name. But what you don't want to do is take liberties with what has already been written. If you understand that it's a... Nope, let's do that differently. If you understand that it's a work of fiction, biblical fiction, and you understand that, first of all, you have to read the Bible. You have to get people to read the Bible. That's the whole goal here. Getting people to read the actual Bible. Because the whole goal of biblical fiction, biblical historical fiction, is to amplify what's already been written, not to replace it, not to make people think, oh, this is what the Bible actually says. But in order to get people to be interested in the Bible and read it for themselves.